So why is the RPS doing this now? Well, the Royal Pharmaceutical Society, it's got a history really to be proud of, and it's really advanced the role of pharmacists and pharmaceutical scientists. And it's a real testament to the time, energy and commitment and vision of people within pharmacy since the society was formed. So for me, our role today at RPS is to build on that legacy for the future, and the proposals that we've got that we're presenting to our members, I believe, do just that. If we look back to when the RPS was first formed, a Royal College was one of the names that was considered at that time, and it wasn't chosen not because it wasn't felt that it didn't fit with aspirations for pharmacy, but that just it felt presumptuous at the time. And for me, 184 years later, for RPS 184 years later, it's time to move to being a Royal College. I think that's where we are now as a profession. It's time for a new model of pharmacy professional leadership, and I believe that Royal College model can build on where we've come from and the great work that we've been doing so far, take us where we want to go in the future. I think that RPS has done a lot of work over over its history to bring it to a space where it really can occupy that leadership space within pharmacy, within the safe and effective use of medicines, and advance those causes. And it's time that pharmacy had a Royal College to advocate for it. Well, for me, when I think about a Royal College and that model of professional leadership, it's really about having increased opportunities for collaboration, something that's more inclusive. And that's a way that we really already try and work in Wales already. We're very collaborative across the healthcare system and how we work both within and outside of pharmacy with our partnership organisations. And we try to be very inclusive, and that Royal College model will take us further with that. When I think about a Royal College, it's about driving excellence in education, excellence in the provision of professional standards and guidance to support pharmacy professionals in their practice. It's about excellence in science and research, and then about excellence in patient safety. And this is all areas that RPS already has strengths in, and I know our members in Wales want to see more of that to help them be the best members of the profession that they can be, so they can provide the best care, make the best contribution to their patients and to the wider citizens of Wales. When we think about healthcare in Wales, devolution is really important. And what I've been really pleased to see through the process of the review of the constitution and governance of RPS is that the devolved nature of healthcare has been really recognised, and that going forward, that strong voice that we need for Wales, that advocates for what the profession in Wales needs, for what patients in Wales need, for what the population of Wales need from pharmacy, from their medicines, that's been really recognised. We know that we're smaller than England, but we also know that we've got a fantastic contribution to make. We know that we can try innovative and new things for the benefit of patients in Wales, and other nations can learn from them.